You can actually turn $1,000 to $4,000 in 30 days. This is what this particular video is all about. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, I would like you to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share our videos. Make sure you also turn on that notification bell so that anytime I drop updates like this, you will be the first person to be notified. In this video, I will be explaining to you how you can be making the same amount of money I am making as you are seeing on my screen right now. Every week, every day, I print hundreds and thousands of dollars with Utrading AI BOT. Now, with the particular setting I'm going to be releasing to you, that setting, because so many people are having problems with this Utrading AI BOT and any other crypto trading bot, because they don't actually understand how these bots work and how they are being set. For instance, if you are trading with, let's say, $100 right now, you don't have to place more than one trade in a day. Even if you want to trade more than one trade, it should not exceed 2 trades in a day. Now, and you must make use of what we call trade analysis. That is, you should be able to decide how much you want to be making per day. You understand? So with that, your daily target, you'll be able to set the robot so that you will not incur losses when the market goes against you. In this AI trading bot, we trade both futures and we trade both spots. But basically myself, I trade futures a lot because futures is where the profit is, even though it is riskier. But with the settings that I have discovered, with the settings that my students have been using over the past weeks, over the past months, you are not going to encounter any liquidation at all. Now, what is liquidation? Liquidation is a situation whereby your entire capital that you are using to trade, goes away. That is, you have traded up to the point whereby your capital that you have can no longer withstand your liability, can no longer withstand your losses, and then that entire money is wiped off. That is called liquidation. But in this Utrading bot and in my trainings are entirely for free. I will be showing you how you can actually use the no liquidation settings so that your account can never and will never be liquidated, so that you keep printing money just the same way we have been printing money. Now, just watch this video right now and you see one of our great men in this business who is making millions and thousands, of dollars on monthly, on weekly, on daily basis, so that you too will know that this is possible. All you have to do is to watch this video to the end so that you understand what he is trying to say in this video, and so that you will quickly join this train and not be left behind. Remember, my trainings are free, the settings are free. All you have to do is to come into my Telegram group, come into my WhatsApp group, so that I can give you these settings for free. When you come in, then you will be taught on how to actually trade these currencies, these cryptocurrencies, and they're the best cryptocurrencies to trade with. You understand? So just watch this video to the end now, and make sure you check the description part of this video for my WhatsApp link, for my Telegram link, and the other links that you need to get across to me so that I can add you to my free training groups. Thank you. I will see you inside. So guys, you are welcome. Today is the first day of the month of November 2024, and I want to open one of my accounts right now. This is a live class, so I want to open one of my accounts now. So I'll be clicking on this particular app here. That is the Utrading app, this particular one here. I'm going to be clicking on it now. So I click on it and then it opens here. This is the Utrading app. It opens here. Now as it opens here, I'm going to go straight to the profit section. I'm going to go to 2 places to show you. Now if you look at this particular place, you will see that you will see here that there are people who are trading. If you look up here, you're going to see this place called profits. You understand? So if I click on that particular profit right now, you're going to see how much I've been able to make so far. you're going to see how much I've made for some days and some weeks all together. My network is a bit fluctuating tonight, but I believe it's going to load up right now. So, and I am on manual trading. I am on manual trading. Manual trading means that I will be the one that will use my hand to set the robot the way I want it to trade for me. And there are so many things that you need to know. Okay, you can see. Now, today is the first day of the month of November 2024. So if you look down here, if you look here, if you just look here, just this place, you're going to see how much I have made this for today. You're going to see how much I have made for today. Look at this place. Look at the first, that is 11th. You're going to see there how much I have made for today here. So you can see here, you can see this place now. I've made $4 today. Yesterday being 31st, I made $5, as you can see there. As you can see there, this is today, then this was yesterday, this was the day before yesterday, this was the first day. Now this one you see red here is a loss. The reason is because it's under my spot trade, and the reason because I stopped the trade myself. Normally I'm not supposed to stop it, but I was doing a particular class, so I was doing a live class for somebody to show the person that you're not supposed to stop the robot, because if the robot is running at a loss and you stop it, the loss is going to count in your account. So that was why I had to do that. Now if you scroll up again, you're going to see the other days. You're going to see some days are higher while some days are lower. You can see as it's going, you can see some days here. You can see here was $9. You can see here $18. You can see here $35. You can see here another $35 per day. You can see now this is account I'm trading with just $200. You understand? So if you're doing a business and you're making $35 in a day, or you're making $8 in a day, and you started that business with just $200, so in a month you should be able to be getting at least $200 extra. You understand? So when you add it, you have $400. If you trade the same with $400, you can bet another $400. That is how I was able to get over $800 on this account. So for last month alone, being October, I was able to make 290 something dollars. If you look up here, you're going to see it here. $298 like that. So because I did a withdrawal and then this one also came up there. So this is basically my account on this particular boat now. And so if I go back now, and okay, sorry, I need to open that again. So now you're going to see some people here who are trading with more capital than I do. You can see this one is making let's go to a day. You can see a day here. This is for within 24 hours. So if I come to 24 hours trade, you can see that if I change this place to 24 hours, just a day, you can see my network is bad tonight, but it's going to open. So if I choose for a day, you're going to see that some people who are trading with higher capital. Now look at it here. You can see this one today, this one as of today has made $581. You can imagine that this one here have made the same thing. This person here $570 something. This one here 500. You can see how much people are making per day under automated trading, not even manual trading, the one I'm doing, not even signal trading, because we have here manual trading here and we have here signal trading. So this is how good this robot is. If you're trading with this robot, you are sure of making money every day on daily basis. If you follow the right settings, you are sure of making cool money on daily basis.